we loved doing our hand cast so much last time that we decided to give it another go, but this time with a twist. And we're going to use our sake cups in it. But when you drink sake in Japan, there's a lot about the level in each other's cup and a bit of hierarchy and social etiquette to it. So we're always fascinated by drinking. So we're going to try and capture 2 cups in a hold. How was it? You go. I'll just stay still.
Okay, let's go. Cup.
Right, don't rush this bit too much because we've got to get it right.
Why are you trying to go over the top? Okay, drink them with thumb.
Right, you need to kind of quite solidly hold my fingers because we don't want it to move.
You happy?
Yeah, so you're going to hit the bottom first. Can you feel it seeping in around your fingers?
Yeah.
Like really slowly, creeping. When this cast is made...
We've had a few thoughts. Our dream is to launch a sake tap room, so we can sell by the glass, you know, fresh sake, not just from our brewery, but from other breweries in Japan and around the world. And if this could sit on the bar, just to kind of show, you know, a bit of a symbol of our logo in 3D, as well as, I guess, some of the etiquette related to the traditions of sake. So. Good?
Yeah.
Has it stayed in there? With a cup that's the tricky one. There you go. Cool.
There they are. It's exciting.
You see the cups left in there. The detail is incredible, isn't it?
Oh wow, it really is, look! This is really impressive. Look at your funny position, you're in like a claw. It's just you.
My hand's permanently locked.
Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, wow! That's so cool. Cheers. Kanpai. Forevermore.
It's worked, look.